Right now, I am just writing a story about our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. But earlier this morning, I was busy putting together a video about the book blockade fiasco here in the Philippines. It's a topic that I feel very seriously about, and it's an issue that I really want a lot of people to know about. So I put up the video. It's really just about education, a very serious thing for me. I believe that the lack of education is the root of a lot of problems, not only in the Philippines but the entire world. So I hope the video, you can watch the video and share the video with other people. And in that video, I burned the book, and it's a very serious thing to do. Under other circumstances, I probably wouldn't have done it. Not to that book specifically. I didn't want to burn a trashy novel. I wanted to burn a book that had personal significance to me. A book that I learned a lot from. It was a very difficult thing for me to do, but I did it anyway because um, it was something I needed to do to emphasize how strongly I felt about it. So there you go.